Iya. Jadi kamu pulang dari mana? Iya. Oh, nggak tahu orang orang cinta. Kamu pulang marah?
Iya. Iya nih sama.
Iya. Minat nabi di sungai Lami. Oi, Ramadan ini. Kalau saya bukan satu tahun dikasih tanggung untuk medak ini. Masa pai pom may mix lo masih medyo misa. Nah, Lucy. Apa nih? Terima kasih. Sudah tertalau bisa cuma. Sudah dilamik sih na. Sudah siman baik. Ano na sama kayo cuna wa sa may baka. Sige may bakulong at tango na turang alital tala. Ni tagi na nakulong at tagal ka mga taon. Nakawalip. Sa umula ko na ko.
To this bridge, it's right now it help the students a lot, especially the students here in Malawai. There are about 45 students who use this bridge daily. Before, they used to travel across to the school just using the coconut bridge made by the villagers then. It was difficult for the students most of the times in bad weather. Most of the students, especially the students in year 1, year 2, they don't come to school. With the new bridge now, the students are access to school at all times, at all weather. Right now, from the kindergarten up to year 8 students.